How to go to deleted photos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can go to deleted photos on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to basically go to deleted photos on your iPhone, all you have to do is basically, first of all, let's say you happen to delete a certain photo from your Photos application. If you want to find those deleted photos, it's very simple. Just from the bottom you'll find this little option right here known as albums. Make sure to go to the albums tab. Once you go to albums, just scroll down a bit further below until you get to this option known as utilities. Under utilities, you'll find an option called recently deleted. So when you tap the recently deleted option and go ahead and then verify it, you'll be able to see all of the photos, pictures, and then videos that you have deleted in the past. So now if you want, you can just go ahead and multiple select them and then choose to either recover them or to delete them permanently, even from your deleted photos. So this way you should be able to go to deleted photos on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.